Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn about the topic data mining. Though the topic is data mining, but without knowing data warehousing, we cannot proceed further with data mining. So now we will know about what is data warehousing. Marketers are very keen to know about the profile of the customer. So marketer undertakes the marketing research. While marketing research is undertaken, the marketer collects lot of information related to market, that is related to customers. So these customer related data are stored at central place with the help of certain software the company has installed or has purchased. By following certain procedure, the marketer stored the data at central place known with the name data warehousing. Now we will see what meaning is given here. The purpose of data warehousing is to gather information and to store it at a central location for easy access. So it is generally a place or a database in which customer or market related information are stored. Whenever it is needed, the marketer can dig out the information. The process of taking out the relevant information from the warehousing is known with the name data mining. So here we have seen the meaning of data mining. Let's see what is given here. Data mining is a process of extracting useful data from a larger set of raw data for the purpose of effective decision making. So it is clear from the meaning given here is data warehousing is full of information, right? Some can be relevant for me, some can be irrelevant or is not needed by me. So here marketer has to find out what information I need from the data warehousing, right? So here the marketer will identify the type of data I need to be dig out from the warehousing. Mean extracting of useful data from the raw data, right? Now why it is being mined? It is mined because of taking marketing decision. Now we will move towards what are the importance of data mining. Yes, important of data mining are, first one, it will help the marketer to know about the consumer behavior, whether consumers are price sensitive, whether consumers are quality sensitive. So this kind of information the marketer can get after data mining, right? So here marketer can know about the behavior of the consumer. Secondly, who are the loyal customer to my company? The marketer can easily come to know who are the loyal customer. Student, what do you mean by customer loyalty? Customer loyalty are the detail about the customer who are going for repeat purchase from the same company. Means they are loyal customer. Loyal customer means the customer who are going for repeat purchase from the same company and the same brand. Okay. Now third one is competitive advantage. The marketer who is maintaining data warehousing and undertaking data mining gets a competitive advantage by coming out with the customized offering to the customer, right? So if he is coming out with the customized offering, will help to attract the customers, more and more customers towards his company brand, right? So customer will not move towards the competitor. So it will be a competitive advantage to the marketer after undertaking warehousing and mining, right? Next one, the company which are going for research, data warehousing and data mining gets a corporate image in the market because he is able to provide the customized goods to the consumer, right? So this kind of company gets a good image in the market. Next one, data mining also helps to make customized offering towards consumer. Customize means as per consumer preference. The marketer can come out with the customer preference goods. Means as per customer preference, the marketer can come out with customized goods, right? So it will help the marketer to come out with customized goods. Next one, data mining technique is having low operating cost. Previously, it will lead to expenditure on the part of company, but operating it or maintaining the data warehousing and mining will lead to less price as far as maintaining is concerned. At one time, that is first time, it will lead to expenditure, but maintaining it will be less, right? Because the benefit you are drawing out of it will be more than the cost you are incurring to maintain warehousing and mining. So it will lower your operating cost. Next one is it will reduce the customer's defection. It will reduce the defect rate on your part. It will increase more customers' preference on the part of consumer. Consumer will prefer more and more your product because it has less defect rate. It has less defective items to it, right? So customer will come more and more towards your brand. Next one is higher customer equity. Now equity is here in the commerce language, it is entirely different from the accounts equity. In the accounts equity, it means shares. But in case of commerce, equity means valued customers. Customer equity means valued customer. So data warehousing and data mining will help the marketer to have most valued customers towards his brand and towards his company. So it will help the company to have more valued customers towards his brand. Next one is higher returns. Data mining will bring higher returns in the form of more customers, in the form of more profits to the company, right? Data mining also help the company or the marketer to come up with the promotion mix. Now there are various elements to promotion like advertising, like salesmanship, like publicity, etc. So it will help the marketer to come up with effective promotion mix towards which the customers are exposed to, right? Next one is pricing of product. It will also help to price the product. If the consumers are price sensitive, then pricing should be with the strategy of penetration. If consumers are not price sensitive, you can come up with the pricing strategy that is skimming pricing. Skimming means keeping the price level high, and penetration means keeping the price level low. So according to data mining and warehousing, you can decide about the pricing of the product. And last one, it will also help the marketer to come out with effective distribution strategy. Now student, what do you mean by distribution strategy? Distribution strategy means distribution channel. Here it will enable the marketer to come up with the effective distribution channel. Now what this distribution channel do? This helps to take the product from the place of production to the place of consumption. So actually what the channel of distribution do? It take the product from the place of production to the place of consumption. So here which distribution strategy would be more effective? According to that, the marketer will select the distribution channel. So data mining would also help to come up with effective distribution strategies.